Want ChatGPT to sound more like you? Here's how to make that happen. Open ChatGPT and click your avatar in the upper right-hand corner, then select Customize ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. Focus on the field called What Traits Should ChatGPT Have? In this field, you will enter everything you want ChatGPT to know about how it should respond, your preferences, and your likes and dislikes. Here's a sample of what I have entered in this field. No emojis, icons, and unnecessary punctuation. Write in a tone that's friendly and clear. Please avoid jargon, acronyms, and adverbs. Use short, natural sentences, and use the Oxford comma to separate ideas. Include relatable examples, and also provide clickable sources for any statistics. You can also provide ChatGPT with a list of phrases or words you want it to avoid. For example, I don't like that ChatGPT often starts a blog with the phrase "in a world where," so I have requested that it not use that phrase. There is also a second field called How would you like ChatGPT to respond? You can use this field to control the format and structure of answers. Here's a sample of how I have used this field. Respond in structured sections and start with a one-sentence summary. Provide me with a numbered list of all the steps and ask me clarifying questions if my prompt is vague. Now, every new chat will follow your preferences automatically. Update these settings whenever you find additional customization you want ChatGPT to follow. Click the download button below to get an Excel document with sample prompts and a list of ChatGPT's most overused phrases and words. You can check out the rest of the prompt library for more AI prompts.